To you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Illinois, and we're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Robin with Learn About Law, and in this video I'm going to discuss facts about guardianship in Illinois. Illinois has one of the most innovative and forward-thinking guardianship programs in the country. Previously, disabled people were labeled incompetent, and probate court named conservators to look after their assets and finances. The Illinois Probate Act was changed in 1979 to provide statutory protection for disabled people. There were entirely new types of guardianship developed. Most notably, new processes for appointing guardians and overseeing disabled people and their estates have been created. When an individual is unable to make and communicate responsible decisions about his personal care or finances due to a mental, physical, or developmental disability, guardianship is required. A mental, physical, or developmental disorder alone is not enough to warrant the appointment of a guardian. The fact that a person is elderly, mentally ill, developmentally impaired, or physically disabled does not always mean that guardianship is needed. The court determines the degree to which a guardian should make decisions for award based on a detailed clinical assessment and report. Guardianship of the person and guardianship of the estate are the two most common forms of guardianship. When a disabled person is unable to make or communicate informed decisions about his personal treatment, the court appoints a guardian of the person. Medical care, residential placement, social services, and other needs will be decided by this guardian. When a disabled person is unable to make or express reasonable decisions about his assets or finances, the court appoints a guardian of the estate. The guardian will make decisions about the ward's funds and the safeguarding of the ward's income or other properties subject to court oversight. Guardianships can be customized to suit the needs and abilities of disabled people. The court may appoint a limited guardian who has the authority to make only certain decisions regarding personal care and or personal finances that the court determines depending on the disabled person's decision-making ability. The court may also nominate a plenary guardian who has the authority to make all decisions about the disabled person's personal care and or finances. In the event of emergency, the court may appoint a temporary guardian to serve during the time between the filing of a petition for guardianship and the end of the court hearing where the need for guardianship is determined. Temporary guardianship, which lasts no more than 60 days, is a way of ensuring that a suspected disabled individual is protected right away. A legal resident of the United States is required for a guardian. Public and private not-for-profit organizations are both eligible and encouraged to serve as guardians. A family member can petition the court to be appointed guardian, or the disabled person can choose who he wants to be his guardian. If a disabled individual has a preference, the judge may take the preference into account. The judge, on the other hand, appoints whoever will be the right guardian and act in the disabled person's best interests, regardless of the party's relationship to the disabled person. Thanks for watching. To learn more about facts about guardianship in Illinois, check out our article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.